Generative fill option disabled in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. First, ensure that you are using the correct version of Adobe Photoshop that supports the generative fill feature. This feature is typically available in Photoshop's beta or the latest official releases. To check your version, go to the Help menu and select About Shop. Make sure it is up to date. After verifying that you have the correct version, check if the generative fill option is still grayed out. If it is, proceed to the next step. Adobe requires age verification for certain features. To enable generative fill, you need to provide your birthday to Behance, Adobe's creative platform. Open Photoshop and click on Sign In at the top right. Sign in with your Apple ID. Sign in with your Adobe ID. Go to the Behance website and log in with the same Adobe ID. Once logged in, click on your profile picture and select Settings. In Settings, enter your birth date and save the changes. After entering your birth date, quit Photoshop completely and then relaunch. Once you reopen Photoshop, the generative fill option should now be enabled and ready to use.